This video will show you how to correctly set the DEVIreg Display Connect into the wished control mode and how to control it accordingly. For this video, the DEVIreg Display Connect is mounted into the wall here, but I'll explain it, then we can look a little at the device. So the DEVIreg Display Connect will contain the same three control modes as we do on DEVIreg Room. That means that we have a room-only function that is safeguarded by the breakout function in order for us to have the ability to regulate based on room temperature only. That means that the floor probe, which is floor sensor, which is mounted here, is then taken out of the equation. The combined mode, where we then regulate according to the room temperature measured by the device and estimated based on the room, and the floor temperature as a limiter will be taken into consideration. So that's the combined mode. And then we have the floor only mode, where only the input from the floor sensor is taken into consideration. Again, that depends on the specific needs and so on. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you need any recommendations or help on this. And for the DEVIreg Display Connect is always default into the combined mode. That means that it'll take both things into consideration until something else is set in the app. Everything needs to be set in within the app. And then the different modes will adapt accordingly. That means that the frost protection temperature, for instance, will still be 5 degrees, but depending on the mode selected, that will then be imposed onto the frost protection temperature of the 5 degrees, which means it'll be, if it's only the room temperature, it'll be 5 degrees room temperature. If it's combined, then it'll be the lowest of the two readings. And if it's the floor temperature only, it'll be 5 degrees floor temperature.